Welcome back everyone to the channel. Today we decided to head back to Valdosta, Georgia to get some more Norfolk Southern action. Today we had the help of a virtual Railfan live camera up about 70 miles north from here in Cordele, Georgia, which is going to alert us of southbound oncoming trains to help us get these trains a little bit easier. We got here fairly early, still a little morning dew on the rails. And soon enough, NS 249 was coming up through Valdosta, Georgia. About 2 hours later, here comes NS 249. As already mentioned prior, this is NS 249 originating from Atlanta, Georgia, heading to Jacksonville, where it will exchange with the FEC. This is an all-intermodal train. The lead locomotive on this intermodal train was AC44C6M, and the trailing locomotive was ST70ACC. As you could tell in the drone video, the great thing about this track at this section is that literally the majority of the track is woods up till Jacksonville, which is great if you're looking for some serious speed. Trip wasn't even close to being done yet because we have another NS southbound, this time 29F. This is a priority intermodal heading from Chicago, Illinois, all the way to the Jacksonville, where it will exchange with the FEC Railroad. Here is NS 29F, and with the help of the drone, we were able to get this shot. As you heard before, this is NS 29F, originating from Chicago, Illinois, and heading to Jacksonville, Florida. This priority intermodal has two Norfolk Southern engines. The lead engine is AC44C6M, and the second engine is ES44AC. After that train, there was a little lull in the action, so we decided to head to Hardee's to pick up some food while we wait. After eating, we headed to this new little park in Valdosta. It's called Paradise Park. This is where the NS Macon Subdivision and the CSX Bow Line both parallel each other. You will definitely be getting a lot of action here. And only a few minutes into the wait, a surprise NS local emerges from the Valdosta depot. This NS train is ES44DC, and it is running long hood forward out of Valdosta. These cars on this NS local is heading up to Macon, Georgia, where it's going to meet with the CSX, and CSX is going to take it to Talbotton, Georgia. Talbotton has a mine in it, and that's where these cars are specifically heading to. And there goes this NS local. Next train on the list was NS 282, a northbound manifest heading up to North Carolina, specifically Charlotte. This train is coming out of Jacksonville, Florida. The lead locomotive is AC44C6M, and the other locomotive is ES44DC. This train is hauling an assortment of freights, from rocks to chemicals. Specifically, this train was hauling ethanol and liquefied nitric acid. We headed back a little southeast out of Valdosta to Howell Road, where we're going to get this next train. Here is NS 321, originating from East Point, Georgia, heading to Jacksonville, Florida. This train is a manimodal or autorack train, all loaded freight cars. This train has two foreign-power BNSF locomotives. The lead engine is ES44C4, and the behind engine is C44-9W. We tried chasing them one stop, but we weren't even able to get to the back of the train. This goes to show how fast these trains are really going out here. But no worries, we have one more train en route this evening. Let's go ahead and get him. This is NS 323, a southbound manifest originating from Macon, Georgia to Jacksonville, Florida. This train lead engine is AC44C6M and the behind engine is D9-44CW.